Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So there will be a riddle every week in our video, so make sure to watch the complete video and you can comment your answers. So I guess you might have been waiting for last week's riddle answer. So the answer is watermelon. So here are the best comments from our previous videos. So in this video we are going to make DIY highlighter. Make sure to watch the complete video. So let's start. So first take a small bowl and put 2 tablespoons of talcum powder. Pour water sufficiently according to your need and then mix it well. Now use acrylic paint of any color and mix it well. You can use more color if you want it to be more dark. So guys, our highlighter solution is ready. So I'm going to pour the solution in this pen. Now I'm making a funnel to pour the solution into the pen. Now stick tape around the tip of the funnel and cut the tip little bit wider so that it fits into the pen. Now I'm taking an earbud and cutting it into half and inserting it into the tip of the pen. Now I am pouring the solution into the pen using the funnel. So now I am attaching the pen. I am sticking tape around this part so that the solution will not leak. Okay, so let's test it now. So it worked for me. If it works for you, please tell in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel.